Hello, everybody. I'm here for Analog Legends, and I'm going to quickly run down the purchase, install, and the basics of the brand new, incredible mastering limiter Lucid. So I'm super hype about this, so let's just get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is purchase the plugin. Now, just in case this is something that you haven't done, or just specifically with Analog Legends, I figure I just run down the process. Obviously, you go to the product and then add it to cart. You can actually do it directly there as well. Add the product to the cart. Now, go to the cart. Now you'll see it's there. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it there and apply, and it will update the total. But it's going to proceed. Now, this step is real important because a lot of people seem to forget this part, but you have the ability to create an account directly during your checkout. And it's something you're definitely going to want to do because you're always going to have access to your downloads, and as well as all the updates for the plugins will always be instantly dispatched to your account when they are updated. So you definitely want to create an account, but it is not absolutely mandatory, but it is definitely recommended just because of that fact. You can access the uploads and as well as your past orders and everything. And plus, there's a lot of cool things with the Analog Legends site, like the community and such. But anyways, you just fill in your information, your payment information, and click place order. And there you go. Now let's just move to the next step. Now, once you have purchased the product, you will have received it via email, your order email, and the link is directly available on the site instantly after purchase. But again, you should have created an account because it's a bad idea not to. Either way, you're going to have access to the Lucid, VST, AAU, AAX, CLAT, V 1.51, which is the current version. So go ahead and download that to wherever, and you're going to end up with this. So you can extract it with either archive utility. You can just double click it in Mac. You can double click it in here. You can extract it with whatever you want. Go ahead and extract the zip file. And inside, you're going to have your PC and your Mac folder as long as along with your manual, and there's a little instructions. There's not really much to it, but we're going to go ahead and you just select whatever you're on. If you're on Mac or PC, go within and let's just run it. Run the setup. Yeah, this is very common. Just click more info, run anyway. And it's going to have the installer actually has the old UI on there, but go ahead and click next. I am just literally I've already got it installed, but you were just click next. I'm just clicking repair just so for the sake. Then you click finish, and now we're moving on to loading it up in your DAW and activating, and we'll move on to that now. All right, now you got your DAW loaded up and you loaded up an instance of Lucid, and it is going to prompt you for your license key. So you would have received that. Well, now it is both available instantly on the website, and also it is sent directly within your order email. So you should be good to go there. So just copy that license key and enter it here and click activate. And we'll be right back. Okay, now as you can see, it is dissipated, got rid of that whole license situation. So now you're ready to use it. So the real let's just move right into the actual usage of it, the basics. So you got your threshold, your ceiling, your punch. You got this is where you can select from some presets. This is where you save one. This is where you save a new. This is where you switch AV. This is switches true peak on and off. This can turn a dither on. Then there's a high pass filter. There's oversampling, drastic. Then there's auto release, or you can try to do it yourself. And there is stereo width adjustment. So let's just verify everything's working, good to go. And let's bring down the threshold so it's hidden. Ooh. It's great sound, great, incredible. Shows the loop, shows the lufts and the various measurements, and you can adjust the punch. So there you go. You're off and running with what I believe is the best mastering limiter ever made. And the next video is going to be a deep dive, and then we're going to do a bunch of shootouts against all the big dogs. So stay tuned and be sure to cop Lucid if you haven't already. Peace. Analog Legends. Legend.